Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 first things to do for the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. The first thing I want to show you is to extend the lifespan of your phone, and we need to set up something at the battery settings. So let me show you what I mean. For that, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then we need to scroll down to the point battery and device care. Then tap here on battery, and at the end of this point we will have the point more battery settings, and you should enable this one here to protect the battery, because then the phone can charge just up to 85%. The reason is if you charge your phone more than 85%, it's not that good for the battery. And you should charge your phone, by the way, always between 20% and 85%, just like that, yeah? But if you activate this one here, you can charge your phone without thinking, okay, I have to remove the charger at 85%. No, it goes automatically then. Okay. The next feature I want to show you is you can make the phone a bit faster, because always if you open an app like the Play Store maybe and close it, then you will have a little animation, no? Same with the gallery or another app. You open it, it zooms out, and if you close it, it zooms in. Zooms out, zooms in. And if you remove these animations, your phone will be much faster, and it gives also a boost for the performance. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then we will need the point accessibility, and here we will need the point visibility enhancements. Okay, and then we have to enable here remove animations. Okay, and that means whenever you open an app, it's immediately there. If you close it, it's immediately gone. Immediately there, immediately gone. And if I now show you again, if we enable these animations, then you can see the difference. You see, it feels much slower right now, the phone with animations. But if you disable the animations here by enabling remove animations, then it's immediately there, immediately gone, as you could see. And you can clone apps with a phone. So that means that you can have maybe 2 Facebook accounts or 2 Messenger accounts, 2 Telegram accounts, 2 WhatsApp accounts. And hey, why not? You can insert 2 SIM cards. Why not having 1 WhatsApp for each number? So let me show you what I mean. First of all, you need to install, of course, the app you want to clone. And then just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features, and here you will have the point dual messenger. Just tap on dual messenger here, and then you will have here a list which apps are allowed to clone. Now, it's not every app, but most of the messenger apps you can clone. So let's enable now here this WhatsApp clone. So go down on install, confirm for the very first time, and then he's asking also if you want to use a separate contact list for your second accounts. You can skip that because you can do that later. And I just confirm you with yes. So he's turning on now the dual messenger. Okay, same thing you can do with Snapchat. With Facebook, let's do all now here. Telegram, as I said, Messenger. Okay. Then let's have a look how it looks like later here at the app drawer. So yeah, now they come. So this is my main WhatsApp account. This is my second one, my main Telegram account, my second one, my main Facebook account is here somewhere. That's my second one. And as you can realize, the second app have always an orange mark here at the corner. No? This is my main Snapchat account, my second one, and you can recognize always here the second app with the orange mark. The next thing what I want to show you is you can hide apps also here at this phone. If you say maybe, okay, I don't want that someone sees that I have TikTok here on my phone, you can hide it. Let me show you what I mean. So just go back here at the desktop screen like me, take 2 fingers and pinch them in, and then you will have this view here. Then just go here on the settings, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see this point here, hide apps. So now you will have a list of all the apps here at your phone, and then choose the app you want to hide. You can also, of course, add more than one app. No, let's keep our example here with TikTok. And now it's marked here. Just go on done. And now let's check if TikTok is there or not. TikTok is gone. TikTok is not my day here at our app drawer, but you want to use the app. How to use the app then? Let me show you what you can do for. First of all, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need the point apps. Where it is? Here it is, apps. And then you will have an overview with all your apps here, and then just go here on TikTok. Should come soon, there it is. And go then here on open, and then you can open the app directly. The second way is if you just go to the app drawer and enter here at the search bar the name TikTok and so on. And at the moment this one will appear here. So TikTok app info, just tap on it, and then you are also directly here and you can open the app TikTok. Yeah. And you can do something also for your eyes, because the display is large enough to increase the text size. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll on here, then go to the symbol for the settings. I think you know this procedure already. Then go to the point display. And if you scroll down a bit, you have this point here, font size and style. And here you can increase the text size, like this maybe. And it's a bit bigger and you can reach much better here than later at the settings. But I would recommend to you to take the screen zoom, because this zooms up also the app sizes. And yeah, also if you have text messages and so on, it zooms everything a bit. Let's go back, and now you can see you can read much better here, but take care, it affects also the notifications, because if you enlarge it too much, you can't read really the previews here of your notifications. So a bit is okay in that case, and your eyes will say thank you. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is also for your eyes, because if we look too often on our smartphone screen, our eyes feel very stressed. I think you know what I mean. And anyhow, if you read something or if you watch a video or something like this, and you can reduce this stress by enabling a blue light filter. Let me show you what I mean. For that, just scroll on here, scroll on a second time, by the way, then you have much more icons, and a second page. And here we will find the Eye Comfort Shield. And if you enable this Eye Comfort Shield, you can see the color have changed already a bit. We have enabled a blue light filter, and that reduces much the stress for your eyes. And I would recommend to you to tap now here on the written word Eye Comfort Shield, because you can make the blue light filter, you can squeeze out the maximum of your blue light filter if you go now from adaptive to custom, because then you can change here the color temperature. And as more warm the color temperature is, as better it is for your eyes. Okay, that's a bit too much maybe. You can reduce it a bit and then it's absolutely okay. But as more warm it is, as better it is for your eyes. And if you don't feel comfortable on the day, what I recommend to you to have it all day. But if you say, okay, I don't want to have it on the day, you should have it at minimum at night, because it affects also your sleep and so on. So if you say, okay, you just want to have it at minimum at night, then just go here on details. And here you can schedule the blue light filter, that it goes on automatically and turn off automatically. And if you go here on set schedule, you can set it from sunset to sunrise. So whenever the sun sets, it turns on, and if the sun rises, the blue light filter will turn off. So just turn on now the location, and now it's set up that it goes on automatically when the sun sets. Okay, there's something what supports also here the blue light filter. Let me go back here. So just scroll down the second time, go here on the second page, and then we have here the dark mode. This supports really the evening, also your eyes in the evening hours, because if I on it, most of the things which one was white before becomes now dark. And you know it, if you're in a dark area, and have a very bright screen, it is not that comfortable. But here it becomes comfortable. And also this feature here that you don't have to turn it on by your own, you can set it up also automatically. Just tap here on the written word dark mode, go on details, go then here on turn on as scheduled, and then it's enabled here from sunset to sunrise. And by the way, you will save also energy with that, because if the pixels are turned off here at the dark mode, then the phone needs less energy. Okay, let me turn off now the dark mode, because I'm here on the day. Maybe you're at the night if you're watching this video, but I'm on the day. Okay. So, and the next point I want to show you is also a point here at the shortcuts. It's about the flashlight, no? Because if you scroll down here, you have here the symbol for the flashlight. Maybe you notice already, on the flashlight, it uses the LED light here at the camera. And if you turn it off like this, I think you notice already, as I said. Okay, but you can do some more stuff here. You can change the brightness here of the camera. Let me show you how you can do that. Just scroll down here again so that you have much more icons as we have learned. And we have also now the chance here to go on the written word torch, or maybe flashlight in your language version. And then you have here the opportunity to change the brightness. Let me turn off first the torch, and you can now set a lower brightness, but I would recommend to you to set up the most brightest level here, that in case you need your flashlight, that you can have a powerful flashlight. Then just go here on done, and it set it up for the next time. And whenever you need it, you have a powerful one. And the last mode I want to show you is to use the phone with one hand, because the screen is with 6.5 inches, not so small that you can reach everything with one hand. I have already large hands here, but I cannot reach everything here. And there's a way to make the screen a bit smaller, but you have to enable it first. Okay, for that, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features. And if you scroll down a bit, you will have this point here, one-handed mode. And if you turn it on now, you will have here the home button. If you scroll down the home button, you have this mini screen right now. And you can do all the actions you want to do. You can navigate here completely. You can look for something in the internet. You can watch videos. You can even play games here on the mini screen. And whenever you finish with, just tap here on the outside and you're back at a regular mode. So one more time, just scroll down the home button and you have now this mini screen, and you can do now everything you want with one hand. And if you are left-handed, maybe you can go here on the arrow and it's now on the other side. Now you can do everything with your left hand and so on. And as I said, whenever you're finished with, just tap here on the outside and you are back at a regular mode. Yeah, I hope I could show you some nice tips here for your phone, that you can set it up well. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. If you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.